you do when you're not flexible enough for a particular yoga pose?
Lay on the floor and cry.
No, but seriously now, I hear students all the time saying, I can't practice this pose, I'm not flexible enough. And we are shortchanging ourselves. I was born in a tight body. Flexibility, not my thing. I'm gonna introduce you to my arch nemesis, Vishvamitrasana. Hold up, I just found out is pronounced Vishvamitrasana. I've been saying it wrong this whole time. And Vishvamitrasana is an arm balance-ish that has your leg behind your arm. It's essentially side angle pose, and then you're supposed to pick up this foot and send it over there. And as you can see, this is where I get stuck. Or I could also grab a strap and make my arm longer, but I prefer to modify the pose to work with my body. Here's how I do that. Take the leg instead of behind and bring it in front. I start from a side plank, overhand grip the foot, and then take it out towards the front of the mat. This is the similar essence to the pose, but I don't have to fight with my hamstrings. The more time I spend online scrolling, the more I see how much we still have a stigma around using props and around modifying our practice. Let that shit go. That is a conversation of your ego. And modifying your practice to give your body time to grow into the poses is the best gift you could give yourself. If you found it helpful to break down a yoga pose in this way, I would love to introduce you to my No Bullshit Yoga Pose Library. My No Bullshit Yoga Pose Library covers over 90 of the most common yoga poses that you see in most yoga classes. And it breaks down exactly how to practice them in your body. Because what you do and what your neighbor does are gonna be two different things. And what happens when you feel this weird tug at the back of your knee? And why is it that your shoulder feels funny when you wrap your arm behind your back? And how are you supposed to know how to use that complicated strap contraption? How do you use a block in this pose or that? My goal is to empower you to own your time on the mat, to feel so good in your body, and to know exactly what's going on in yoga class. If you want to hang out with me and go deeper, click the link below in the description. That will take you to a page where you can enter your email to get access to my free Chaturanga pose breakdown. Chaturanga is the yogi push-up. And on that same page will be a super sneaky discount on my No Bullshit Yoga Pose Library, so you can feel like a badass on your mat and stop wondering what the heck you're supposed to do. I've got you.